Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Global Kitchen again. I'm here today to create a dish which is an Indian inspired dish, which is chickpeas curry. I've got all the ingredients here. I'm going to point to them with my knife here, which is sweet pepper or bell pepper, also known as bell pepper, 1 onion, 3 tomatoes, 1 spring onion, which is also known as scallion, and 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to be preparing them by cutting them today, and then we'll get everything ready for the chickpeas curry. I'll be back in a moment. Right, I'm back again, continue with our chickpeas curry preparation. So I'm now going to be chopping up the sweet pepper, also known as bell pepper. I'm going to finely chop them. Careful of my fingers because this knife is extremely sharp. And then I'm going to continue with that for a while, and then chop up the tomatoes, finely chop them. Cut them into little cubes basically, so we don't have to spend too much time on that. And chop this up very finely. Yeah, and just giving a quick idea of how small these need to be chopped. Yeah, small like that. And the sweet pepper is a bit mixed up today, but I'll get some order in a minute. Hope everyone's okay and enjoying this Tasty Global Kitchen and everything that I've showed you so far. Oops, see that tomato nearly rolled right in front of me. Right, let's just, I think it needs to cut that quick then. Quick. And I'll get back to you when it's all chopped up, and we'll see what else needs to be done for this recipe. So I've more or less done the boring bits now, chopped up almost everything. All I've got left is the garlic. I didn't want to bore you to tears with my chopping up, so I thought let me do it and just get back to the bit that you're really interested in, is the actual cooking, not the preparation, even though the preparation is of course part of it. But I know what it's like when you're bored watching people on YouTube and they're chopping up onions, and I'm guilty of that as well, and tomatoes very slowly, and you think, oh my god, it's like I'm watching the paint dry. But I thought, nope, not today. I'm not going to do that to you guys today. So I'm going to chop up as much as I can off screen and just leave the important bits for you to see. So hope I'm not going to be boring you. I'll throw that bit away. And yeah, that's it. So all of this now is going to go into a bowl. Yeah, so I'm going to just put them bit by bit into a bowl. Just get it that you can see. Yeah. But I'll tell you something. Once this is cooking, I know, guaranteed, that you guys are going to wish that smell-o-vision existed. I know that because I know that it smells so nice when it's cooking, and it's so tasty. So yeah, let's get them all in, get it all in the bowl as much as I can. So that's all in the bowl, and what I'm going to do now is heat up the frying pan. Yeah, so that the frying pan will be all ready for us to do the next part of this recipe. I'll be back very soon. Don't go, please don't go. I'm going to be now using some olive oil, as usual, trying to be healthy, into the frying pan here. So I'll just put a few, just a bit in it, not too much, and make sure it's quite warm, not boiling hot, not hot, but just warm enough so that the onions and other ingredients can fry gently. So I'm going to just put that in now. Oops, sorry about the noise. So here it is. Gently put that in. Turn the fire off for a little bit. Garlic, onion, tomato, everything all chopped finely. Put that in. So that little bit there. Finely stirring. You said I'm stirring it gently. Right, here we go. So, gently stirring. Some of it is a bit, chopped up there. So, I'm going to continue that until it's all sweat out and it's all gone, maybe half the size, or maybe less than half the size. Because it's going to sweat. Yeah, let's get this going. Yeah. Right, again, I'm not going to bore you with me in this frying pan tossing these vegetables, so I'll get back to you in a moment when I'm ready for the next stage. Okay, don't go, come back to me. So I'm back now, so everything's now sweated out and shrunk, as I knew it would, because the heat, I just made it all shrunk to about half the size, which is fine. So that's going down quite nicely. But now I'm going to add spices. I'm going to add some sea salt. Himalayan sea salt, a few pinches, more, I'll say maybe just 3 pinches, just for flavour. That's that. Mix that in. And now just a dash, just a little bit, small dash of black pepper, or white pepper in this case. Yeah, just a dash of that. Let's mix that in. Yeah. And I like to use olive oil because, as I said, it's healthier. Okay, right, let's get that going. Then I'm going to add some turmeric and some thyme. Some thyme first, just a little sprinkle of it. I'll tell you, it's just going to be as much as this, so that you can see it in my hand. Just a little bit, not that much. Just sprinkle that on, yeah? Because you don't want to overpower the whole recipe with the thyme. Because thyme is quite a strong herb, and it can really overpower a dish. So you can see how it's sweated quite nicely now. So now I'm going to add a bit of turmeric. be just maybe just a teaspoon of it. Let's see. I'll tell you what, let's get this going properly, because I'm really mindful about you guys enjoying my cooking without me waffling. Oh dear. So just a little, maybe just a spoonful of turmeric, and sprinkle that all over. Alright, mix that in. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do, I love using coconut milk. I absolutely love using coconut milk. So what I'm going to do now, I've got a tin of coconut milk I'm going to use, which it is as I always say, I'm trying to cut down on the fat intake. So I'm using, this is a 400 milliliter tin of coconut milk, but it's a light one, so it's not the full fat. So I'm going to use half a tin of that. So I'm going to give that a bit of a mix. I'm going to turn off the fire for a bit because I don't really want it to burn. So for this now, I'll show you the coconut milk. Just hold on 1 second, I won't be long. Right, I'm going to now put in the coconut milk, which is, what is it, 200 milliliter of coconut milk, approximately. Yeah, so I'm going to pour that in, which is a tin one. So it's already mixed, and I'm going to stir that now. Alright, turn the heat up a little bit, stir that, because that needs to be well cooked with this creamy base thing. So that's done, we're doing, I should say. And then, whilst that's going to cook slightly, I'm going to use a tablespoon of curry powder. So this is regular curry powder that I'm going to do now. So I'm going to scatter that all over. Yeah. Oops, sorry about that, with my arm in the way. But I really want you to see how this is cooking. Yeah. Yep, cooking nicely with the milk, coconut milk in it for added flavour. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a vegetable stock. So I have 2 vegetable stocks that I'm going to use. 2 of these, you can probably get them anywhere. I won't mention the actual brand of it because I'm not advertising for anyone. At least not at this stage anyway, but it's a vegetable stock that you can get at mostly Indian shops. Okay, so it's still cooking now, very gently. So what I'm doing is mixing it. But I'm going to add some vegetable stock now. So as I said, 2 of those cubes I'm going to add to some boiling water, and I'm going to put a quarter of a litre of water with the vegetable stock. So this is cooking nicely. Again, I hope you're not too bored with me just focusing on the cooking at the moment, but I really want you to see the preparation, but not the boring parts of it. So I hope I've succeeded in that. It's not too boring today, but yes, sometimes you can't escape some of the boring parts of the cooking. So I'm going to put the 2 vegetable stocks in here. I'm going to mix that in now. So that's half a litre of water in the stock, or stock rather. So put the stock in it, mix that in. Let's put that in quickly because I don't want this to Now I've got the chickpeas already boiled, but I like to wash it off and boil it after I've opened it in, of course. Wash it off and boil it again. I'm going to turn down this heat really low now, and I'm going to add the chickpeas. So let's just do it bit by bit. Let's get this going. So the chickpeas will be added slowly. Yeah. And let that really boil up fast. Yeah. So the chickpeas is cooking down there. So as I said, there's chickpeas, garlic, spring onions, regular white onions, bell pepper, or also known as sweet pepper here in the UK. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to leave it to boil down so that most of the juice is gone, and I'll get back to you. Okay, don't go away. I'll be right. As this is an Asian inspired recipe, I thought why not have a nice Asian theme with this in the background here. So anyway, enough of that. Here's the rice I'm going to be dishing out now. Oops, let's do that gently. This is normally basmati rice that I use, but unfortunately didn't have any to hand, so this is long grain rice. Yeah, so some people mix it all in, but I like to have it half and half. So let's get that ready. And now for the star of the show, chickpeas. So here it is. It looks lovely. It smells beautiful. Missing smell-o-vision again, but one day, hopefully in my lifetime, I might see smell-o-vision. So here it is, chickpeas curry. Okay, very nice, very tasty, very healthy, very nice. So as usual, my tradition, can't let that pass me. I have to give it a try. So let's give that a try. Mix a little bit in together. Let's try that. Very nice. So, for more of these delightful recipes from Tasty Global Kitchen, please tune in for the next episode, and I'll give you a surprise again. I'm not sure what I'll do yet, what recipe I will create, but do please subscribe, please like, and please hit the notification